Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Lovewind 10,000 BTU portable air conditioners, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful 10,000 BTU cooling. Equipped with the most advanced and energy-efficient air conditioning compressor. The portable air conditioners have a cooling capacity of up to 10,000 BTU and quickly cools rooms up to 450 square feet within 6 minutes, ideal for bedrooms, offices, garages, or small apartments. Installs in 8 minutes and portability. This portable air conditioner comes with a complete window mounting kit for easy installation, saving on expensive on-site installation services. Equipped with 360 degrees universal wheels and grab handles, it can be easily moved from room to room. 4-in-1 portable air conditioners. Our portable AC unit features 4-in-1 functionality: cool, dehumidifier, fan, sleep, to meet your daily needs. The dehumidifier mode can absorb up to 76 pints of water daily, ensuring a healthy indoor environment for you and your family. Low noise and 24 hours time. Designed with sleep mode and low noise operation, less or equal 52 decibels, this portable AC won't disturb your sleep, while the 24-hour timer helps save energy by automatically turning off the unit. 2 operating modes. Effortlessly control your portable air conditioner with the intuitive LED control panel or the remote control, 160 plus feet/50 meter range. Even elderly people who are unfamiliar with smart appliances can operate it. Enjoy a simple, cool, and comfortable life with ease. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.